It's your boy back at it again with Delta Executor, free to download, so easy, only takes about 2 minutes. Let's go. Alright guys, so I've got Delta Executor on my phone right now, and of course this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna show you how it works. I'm running around, of course, in Roblox right now. And as you can see, this is how the Delta Executor works. It's a feature. I can do anything I want. Here you go. It works seamlessly. I'm just gonna run around just for a few more bits to show you guys it's actually worked. And now, of course, and more importantly, I'm gonna show you how you do it. Okay? Now first, let's get into your settings. Okay, guys? Now once you're in the settings, let's get into the general and find for me the background app refresh. Make sure that it's turned on Wi-Fi and cellular data, guys. Cellular data. Okay, now once that's done, let's go back and find for me the battery, guys. Battery right here. Okay, make sure that the low power mode is turned off. Okay, guys, turned off. Now finally, find for me the apps, and specifically apps should be right here. Okay, specifically the App Store. Make sure that the automatic downloads is turned on. Okay, now once that's done, let's get into your browser of choice. Of course, I'm using an iPhone. It's Safari. Okay, this is the site to go, .weeks.com. I'm gonna type it again for you guys. Alrighty. Alright, and this is what the site should look like, guys. It has a bunch of other apps, not just Delta Executor. They have Scarlet's and all of the great stuff, great features. But of course, today we're looking at Delta Executor. Okay, I'm just gonna search it up again, Delta. Alright, here it is. Press on that. Okay, start now. Press on that. Okay, and it should be downloading right about now. And of course, guys, once this is finished downloading, that's all you need. Delta Executor is going to be ready on your phone, ready to be used by you. And of course, just give it a few seconds, guys, and if you've been following the tutorial right, it should work on your phone no matter what. And as you can see, once it's done, it's gonna appear on your phone like it does for mine right now. I'm gonna join at it again and run around. All right, to stick around just a little bit. All right, and of course that will be it. Make sure to do it yourself. And that will be it for me, guys. If you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.